If you are also wondering what's going on in Tanzania, then you are watching the right video. My name is Oalokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, Tanzania recently held a presidential election on the 28th and the 29th of October 2025. Now, the president Samia Suluhu Hassan won the election with 98% of the votes. However, the opposition claims the election was unfair and that hundreds of people were killed during protests. Now, the opposition parties claim the election was rigged and didn't reflect the will of the people. They also accuse the government of suppressing their rights and freedom. The government has responded to the protest with force, leading to injuries, deaths, and arrests. The situation is tense with reports of violence, arrests, and internet shutdowns. The government has imposed a curfew and deployed security forces to maintain order. Many people have been killed or injured, and the opposition is calling for calm and restraints. President Samia Suluhu Hassan has been in office since March the 19th, 2021. Before becoming president, she served as a vice president of Tanzania from November the 5th, 2015 to March the 19th in 2021. She has held various ministerial roles in the Tanzanian government, including Minister of State for Union Affairs and Minister of Tourism, Trade and Investment. But based on the recent presidential election and the subsequent protest, it appears that a significant portion of the Tanzanian population is against President Samia Suluhu Hassan's leadership. Now, the opposition claims the election was rigged and many Tanzanians took to the streets to protest, indicating a lack of faith in the electoral process. Now, reports suggest that hundreds of people were killed and many who were injured or arrested during the protest, showing widespread discontent amongst citizens. The international community has expressed concerns over the election's legitimacy, human rights abuses, and the government's response to protest, which may reflect purely on Hassan's leadership. Now, the main opposition party, Chadema, has rejected the election results, citing electoral irregularities and human rights abuses. However, President Hassan's ruling party, CCM, has maintained control since Tanzania's independence, and she won the elections with a landslide victory, which could indicate some level of support. However, while there are some people in support for President Hassan, the recent protests and international concerns suggest a significant portion of population is unhappy with her leadership. And the community of Tanzania has shown their unhappiness by taking it to the streets. Now, is that the best way to communicate your unhappiness with the government? What are your thoughts?